Did you know if you have an agronomist living next door, the grass is greener on the other side?
What's my line again?
TruGreen and the PGA Tour share a commitment to agronomic expertise that can bring out the best in your lawn. Or for Collier, TPC golf courses.
Yes, and today Matt and I are here to answer common turf questions to help you achieve a lawn you'll be proud of.
For veteran and first-time homeowners alike, maintaining a lawn is a complex endeavor.
And that's where we come in.
Hi.
Matt and I both use science and technology to identify turf grass problems and find solutions.
Science! Woo!
On the course, we're constantly recording and analyzing data to influence our day-to-day course maintenance.
And at TruGreen, we're using our own science-backed expertise with historical data on weather and soil readings to inform us how to best treat your lawn. Science! Woo! It's our thing. We're even developing game-changing technology that uses GPS to help enhance the precision of each application.
Wow, that must really improve the quality of your results.
It totally does. With TruGreen, you don't have to master the science and technology on your own. You're working with a partner who knows how to deliver a lawn you'll be proud of. Science! Woo!